For division with the golden beads, I'm using 3 Skittles from the stamp game. We're going to use the number 633. We won't have any thousands this time. The difference with division is that we start with the largest place value category when we share among our divisor. So I'm going to start sharing, and it has to be equal. It has to be a fair share. So each get 1. We still have more hundreds to share. So we're going to share them out, and it's even, it's fair. Each child gets 2. Then we'll move on to our next largest place value category, the tens, and we will share. Okay, that's fair. And finally on to the units, and each gets 1. So the quotient, the answer in a division equation, is what each child gets, the share of 1. Each child got 211. That's our quotient. For a dynamic, let's say I had 7 hundreds to share. Well, I can't share a third hundred because each child won't get 1. So I'm going to ungroup this 100 for 10 tens. So I'll exchange that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I would continue sharing tens evenly and exchanging if necessary. Let's say in the units place I had 4 units instead of 3 units. So I can't continue sharing a second unit bead. So this would be my remainder. I would have a remainder of 1.